Hey there, homeowners! Are you enjoying the beauty and durability of luxury vinyl plank (LVP) flooring in your home? Well, to keep it looking its best for years to come, regular cleaning and maintenance are key. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to clean your luxury vinyl plank flooring effectively. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sweep or vacuum regularly. Start by sweeping or vacuuming your LVP floor regularly. This helps remove any loose dirt, dust, or debris that can scratch the surface over time. Be sure to use a soft-bristled broom or a vacuum with a brush attachment to avoid scratching the floor. Step 2. Mop with warm water. Next, fill a bucket with warm water and add a small amount of gentle floor cleaner specifically formulated for luxury vinyl plank flooring. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners as they can damage the finish of your floors. Dip a mop into the solution, wring out any excess water, and mop the entire surface of your LVP flooring. Step 3. Spot clean stubborn stains. For stubborn stains or spill, you may need to do some spot cleaning. Dampen a soft cloth or sponge with warm water and gently dab at the stain until it lifts. If necessary, you can use a mild soap or a specialized vinyl floor cleaner for tougher stains. Step 4. Rinse and dry. Once you've finished mopping and spot cleaning, it's important to rinse the entire floor with clean water to remove any remaining residue. Use a clean mop or sponge dampened with water to rinse the floor thoroughly. Then, allow the floor to air dry completely before walking on it or replacing furniture. Step 5. Use protective pads. To prevent scratches and scuffs on your LVP flooring, consider placing protective pads under furniture legs and heavy appliances. These pads will help distribute weight more evenly and reduce the risk of damage to your floors over time. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to clean luxury vinyl plank (LVP) flooring. By following these steps regularly, you can keep your floors looking like new and preserve their beauty for years to come. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.